Welcome back, curious minds, to another fascinating episode from the Fountain of Random Knowledge. Today, we're diving deep into the complex and mysterious world of mirror neurons. These enigmatic cells hidden within our cerebral cortex. Our journey begins in the labs of the University of Parma during the 1990s. The Italian neurobiologist Giacomo Rizzolatti and his team were studying the brains of macaque monkeys. While monitoring these monkeys, they stumbled upon an astonishing revelation. Certain neurons in the monkeys' brains fired not only when the monkeys themselves performed an action, but also when they watched another monkey or even a human perform the same action. These neurons acted like mirrors, replicating observed actions with incredible precision. Hence, they were fittingly named mirror neurons. The discovery of mirror neurons didn't just shake up the scientific world, it caused a paradigm shift in our understanding of the human brain. Imagine watching someone climb a staircase. Your mirror neurons kick into action, allowing you to mentally simulate this action as if you were the one doing it. This unique mirroring ability isn't just about imitation. It forms the very foundation of our capacity to learn. Let's also explore their impact on empathy. Empathy, the ability to understand and share the emotions of others, is a cornerstone of human interaction. And guess what? Mirror neurons are also at the heart of this trait. They help us form connections between stimuli and responses, giving us insights into the how of performing a skill and the why behind others' intentions. They let us step into someone else's shoes by simulating their actions and helping to understand their motivations. Researchers are still debating whether mirror neuron dysfunction plays a role in conditions like autism, or empathy can be challenging. It's a topic that certainly requires more research. Mirror neurons are more than just about individual learning and empathy. They have profound implications for human culture. Think about it. They provide the neurological foundation for imitation, which is the fundamental way that we pass on skills and knowledge. Whether it's perfecting culinary techniques or mastering a musical instrument, mirror neurons are the secret sauce behind our ability to observe and replicate actions. There's also a linguistic twist. Some researchers suggest that mirror neurons may have played a vital role in the evolution of language. Just as we observe and imitate actions, we also observe and imitate words. The mirroring mechanism in mirror neurons could have made learning and understanding language a much simpler process, further solidifying their influence on our culture. So how can we harness the power of mirror neurons in education? Observational learning, where knowledge is acquired by observing action, goes beyond mere imitation. It leads to profound changes within the individual. Imagine passionate teachers who convey their subjects with fervor and joy, igniting students' motivation by fostering highly effective learning experiences. If all of that wasn't enough, there's even more. Potentially why yawns are so contagious. When we see someone yawn, these neurons kick in, mentally simulating the yawn as if we were the ones feeling tired or drowsy. It's a fascinating connection between mirror neurons and our innate drive to imitate and empathize with others. Scientists continue to unravel the mysteries of mirror neurons, promising us deeper insights into our brains, social behaviors, and the foundations of empathy, culture, and perhaps even human consciousness itself. That's a wrap for today's episode of the Fountain of Random Knowledge. I hope you enjoyed this deep dive into the human mind. If you did, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell. That way you stay updated with all of our mind-boggling explorations. Until next time, stay curious.